Hey, Bhadra.
Hi.
Or should I call you Tarun Matara?
Bhadra is good. For now.
What's wrong?
Whoever captures Jalandur Temple will lead the Golden Path. The future of Kyrat is at stake, and I'm caught between Amita and Sabal. You've seen them fight. You know how they are. Amita wants to destroy the temple. She says that this will free the women of Kyrat and break us away from outdated traditions like the Tarun Matara.
I thought Tarun Matara was a good thing.
Sabal thinks it is. If he captures the temple, he'll complete the ceremony and make me Tarun Matara. He says that embracing our traditions is what will make us stronger.
And what do you want to do?
I want to free Kyrat, but I can't choose on my own. Amita and Sabal will never agree, so this leaves you, RJ. You've made a difference here. The Golden Path will listen to you. But you have to understand that whoever you back at Jalandur will become the unquestioned leader of the Golden Path. And once Pagan is defeated, they will control Kyrat as well.
Okay. I think I know what I have to do.
Thank you.
Bhadra told me about your plan to take down Jalandur.
This isn't just about destroying the temple. This is about sending a message to everyone. It's a new day for Kyrat. We're no longer shackled to the past. Without the Tarun Matara, we will expose Sabal for what he really is. A simple-minded fool, squatting on ruins. We'll take everything valuable so we can melt it down and sell it. But the temple itself, I want you to crush it into dust.
Sabal. I hear Amita's ready to move on Jalandur.
That ignorant bitch! It's bad enough having Pagan destroying everything. Now she wants to do his job for him? I'm done with her. I can't tell you what Jalandur means to Kyrat, what it means to Mohan. He's proud of you, you know? We're taking the temple. We're cleansing Bhadra. We're uniting the people under the light of Kyrat.
It's Sabal. Yuma and Pagan have been robbing Kyrat for years and hoarding our relics at Jalandur. I don't want the army taking anything that belongs to our people, so take care of their boats before you attack. Make sure none of them can escape. They've also wired... Ajay, the guards know you're there. They've triggered the timer on the bombs. about to get gutted! Suck it up! Climbing up! On the head! I hope you have a good head start, Gale.
Sabal, I've defused all Sabal. It's done.
Good work, but I've got some bad news for you. My spotters tell me that enemy reinforcements are heading towards your position. They mean to take back the temple. Get ready for another fight.
Soldiers coming in from the west.
Jalendu is safe, Sabal.
Praise Kira. I thought Amita was going to get there first. Can you believe she was going to stop Bhadra from fulfilling her destiny? She can't stand between the gods and their people. This arrogance will be her downfall.